Google claims that its AI doesn't read and train itself on your emails, but considering today's climate of surveillance and AI integration, let's play it safe by disabling some AI features in Gmail. We'll start with Gmail in your desktop or laptop browser. If you have the inbox tabs Primary, Promotions, Social, and Updates, Google's AI is reading your emails. To turn off the AI, click on the gear settings icon, and then click on See All Settings. Now scroll down until you see Smart Features and the Manage Workspace and Smart Features Settings button. These smart features are Google's AI. If you want to turn off Google's AI in more areas than just your Gmail, click on the Manage Workspace and Smart Feature Settings. If you don't want AI to have access to any of these settings and features, turn them off here, and then click Save. Now uncheck the box that says Turn on Smart Features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. Then click the Turn Off and Reload button to finalize making the change. Once your Gmail reloads, you will notice the different inbox tabs are gone and you have a normal inbox. Lastly, click on the X to remove the option to turn Smart Features back on. The Gmail AI Smart Features will be turned off on all platforms that you use to access your Gmail. But let's move over to the Android operating system for people who strictly use their Gmail by using the Android Gmail app. For Android users, click on the Gmail app, then click on the three-line menu at the top. If you see the Primary, Promotions, Social, and Updates options, like we saw in the browser version of Gmail, then Google's AI has access to your emails. Let's change this. Scroll down and click on Settings. Now click on your Gmail account. Then scroll down to where it says Smart Features and uncheck the box. Just as we did in the Gmail browser version, if you want to turn off Smart Features in more areas than just Gmail, click on Google Workspace Smart Features. If you don't want AI to have access to any of these settings and features, uncheck the boxes here and here. Now go all the way back to your inbox. Click on Dismiss to close the option to turn the Smart Features back on. Lastly, if you click on the three-line menu at the top left, you can see the inbox is back to normal and you don't have the 4 different inbox headings that your email was divided into when the Google AI was reading your emails. For Apple users, click on the Gmail app, then click on the three-line menu icon at the top left. Just like in the Gmail browser and the Android app, if you see the Primary, Promotions, Social, and Updates options, then Google's AI has access to your emails. To change this, scroll down and click on Settings. Then scroll down and click on Data Privacy. So if you want to turn off AI in more than just your Gmail, click the button to turn off Smart Features and Personalization and other Google products. It will show you what features will be turned off. Confirm by clicking Turn Off Features. To turn off AI for your Gmail, click the button for Smart Features and Personalization. Again, it will show you what features will be turned off. Confirm by clicking Turn Off Features. If you want, you can also click the button to turn off reporting additional diagnostics so as not to give Google any information about your Google account whatsoever. Now go back and click on Dismiss to close the option to turn the Smart Features back on. Click on the three-line menu in the top left. You can now see the inbox is back to normal and you don't have the 4 different inbox headings that your email was divided into. So that covers the ways you can turn off Google's AI from having access to your emails on all 3 major platforms. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can always check out more great videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.